What's the meaning of Burke's landed gentry? Burke's landed gentry. Burke's landed gentry.
Burke's landed gentry. Burke's landed gentry. Burke's Landed Gentry is a reference book that documents the genealogies and estates of families in the British Isles who own land worth over £100 per year. The book provides detailed information about the history, lineage, and properties of these families, and serves as a valuable resource for researchers and historians interested in the social and economic elite of Britain. It was first published in 1833 by John Burke and has been regularly updated and reprinted since then. Today, it remains an important source of information on the landed gentry of the British Isles.